Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 1, Proofreader. Earning potential, $12 to $50 an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Are you a natural when it comes to grammar? Can you spot errors and fix an incoherent sentence without breaking a sweat? Do you look at advertisements and instantly notice any mistakes? How about menus and books? You may notice things that need work without even looking for them. If this sounds like you, then proofreading might be right up your alley. As a proofreader, you'll be required to work your magic on all types of content, including email copy, blog posts, business documents, books, and more. You'll act as a second pair of eyes for writers, publishers, creators, etc., helping them to sculpt content that has a more elegant and professional feel, with a message that's communicated clearly. Companies producing large amounts of written material may directly employ remote proofreaders to work part or full-time. But there are also opportunities to do this as a contractor or freelancer on a per-project basis. You'll need a strong grasp of English spelling and grammar conventions, plus a keen eye for detail, and should expect to take a skills test before being hired. If you have experience in the subject matter that a company deals with, or familiarity with the style guide they use, that will likely be a bonus, and could set you apart from other applicants. Proofreaders often, but not always, have English, communication, or similar degrees, but you can still secure proofreading positions without prior professional experience. A good place to begin looking for proofreading opportunities is within relevant Facebook groups. For example, if you want to work for bloggers, there are lots of blogging groups. On top of that, you can search for proofreading jobs on Upwork, Monster, Freelancer, Fiverr, and proofreading services. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.